Hardware security. Some of the hardware devices such as computer locks, smart cards, which will provide some help in companies to protect the information. Securing the organization's perimeters with alarms, surveillance cameras, and security guards make it transparent to intruders that security is enforced. One of the threat is the attacker enters the room where the computers are located, which contains some proprietary information or some secure information to protect the computers from outside users, from outside people. We have to put some alarms. Whenever he try to enter into the room, it should give some alarming system or some notification. Okay. Then we have to put some surveillance camera. We have to put some surveillance camera so that the persons who enter the room can be identified. The who can access the computer, we can recognize him, who that person is. And also provide some security guards to keep any person to enter into this room. We can put some security guards as well as dogs. Such features are provided as a hardware security. Some of the common hardware problems are equipment and removable media can be stolen or substituted. One of the easiest technique to get information is by stealing some hardware parts like storage device which contain information. Second one is changing hardware setup parameters can circumvent security. Some attackers also do some changes in the hardware setup. He changes done in the some parameters so that whatever the information stored here should be accessible to the opponent. That is possible. So that is the second threat. The third one is system can be booted by unauthorized users or unauthorized softwares. If your computer is protected with some security, unauthorized person try to access it, boot into the system and try to access some data. The fourth one is boot media can be rewritten by unauthorized software. Now, boot media means whenever you start your computer, it will run your operating system and provide some security to the data. Some users try to avoid that default boot media and try to open it in a different operating system. Okay, that is one more technique to access the information. The last technique is called as unauthorized software can be executed from removable media. Even though he can enter into your system, he can log into the operating system, he cannot access that information because it is locked. So he is just try to install some software which will unbreak or unlock the softwares. So unauthorized software can be executed from removal media means he tried to install some software in the computer and try to unlock the features which will provide security. Some of the safeguards that can be taken to protect some hardware security. What are the some safeguards? The first is called as very simple, locking the doors and security equipments. You have to lock the door, means the room which contain computers. Okay, we have to protect it with some secure locking system. Only the authorized person who has a key can enter into that room. Second one is having lockable cases and keyboards and removable media drives. Now we have to protect some of the devices like case. Case contains some secondary device. We have to protect that one. Keyboards. So whenever he cannot enter anything, he cannot enter any commands using keyboards. So we can lock it. And some removable media like pen drive, hard drive, like that one. Having a key or password protected configuration and setup. You can provide some operating system password as well as some CMOS password. If you want to try to access that computer, you want to give the password. That feature can be provided. Requiring a password to a boot. Whenever he tried to boot a system, it will ask for a password. These are some of the simple techniques we use to secure our hardware. Requiring password to mount removable media. If you try to insert any pen drive or some secondary devices from external media, it will ask for a password, or it will also give some information to the person who is monitoring this all the activities. It's also better to give read-only media. Some of the portions of your storage area should be protected by read-only. The user can just read the information, but he cannot modify the contents, he cannot change the settings, so it will protect the computer. Storing removable media in secured areas. Any pen drive or external hard drives can be put it in a secured place which is locked. That is the storing removable media in secured areas.